All right, switching gears here. We're going to go to some 2018 honors. First off the line, football. John, let's get it, buddy. Okay, okay. This isn't bad. I think you're going to like this one. Okay. All right, start off with Marquez Valdes-Scantling. That one is numbered to 99, and then a Josh Allen. Purple rookie. That one is 3 of 9. First hit is Jalen Samuels. Purple parallel. That's 8 of 9. And 1 of 1 Hall of Fame Super Bowl champion signatures from Flawless, Mr. Steve Young. That's it, on card. And that is from 2016 Flawless. All right, John, appreciate it, buddy. We'll get all this stuff packed up, ship out.